Yo, to get comfy in it. There we go. Maybe not. How about that? You also had 8-8. 948. Let's try that. What are you saying? How you doing? Damn it, man. It's hovering around this midline here. I think it's gonna go higher. Good, bro. Yeah, alright, man. My sleeping's cooked. Honestly, my sleeping pattern is so cooked. I'd like to see this be an invalid zone. I hope it is anyway. Otherwise, if you get strong bearish momentum coming in from me, I might need to hop in a short, man. But I'm hoping that Frankfurt is going to be like a fake move, innit? Like a massive fake out. I think this might be a fake out as well, so price is going to push higher. How are you, Sahad? How are you? Bro, I met this goth girl yesterday. Oh. He's so nice. We did have a solid move from there. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Could be coming to make a higher low, or this could literally be the higher low. Suppose if you used to just get a fib, I might sit at the 382-ish level. Nice guess, 382. What a guess, mate. That's a pullback level, so yeah, maybe. Let's see how that goes. Odds are we're not going to drop down, take all these lows, so this can move on. Probably go to Monday or Tuesday for that. What are you saying anyway? No, what are you doing? Friday, Monday on here. I can match that with Monday, to be fair, and that can go over to Monday, that can go over to Friday, that can go over to Thursday. What's the score, lad? What's new? Price tagged in once, tagged in twice, but did it break structure? So if we were to say, for example, yeah, a higher low led to a higher high, led to a higher low, led to a higher high, led to a higher low, led to a lower high, led to a lower low, led to a lower high. But we do have a lot of price action in this level here, so I want that level to fail. So I think nothing new, same old, bro. Yeah, that's cool, man. No problemo.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
I still haven't played a single game on the computer yet, bro. We've literally got Frankfurt high sat right here. I would very much like to see price come down, take out these lows, or take out this low, then push higher. That'd be ideal. So I'm gonna set alerts 970, 965. Bro, yesterday was so boring. Gus, I'm not even joking to you, man. I was so bored. And then I was thinking to myself, yeah, why do I do trading? And then I was like, oh yeah, the freedom. I don't care about the money, but the freedom. Bro, yesterday was so bad in London. I don't even remember what I was calling on price. I was probably somewhat accurate on it, but it was so bad price action, man. On Tuesday, because we're how many pips away from here? GU's 200 pips away. That's not gonna happen. I can even go further past that, to be fair. I'll go on the 30-minute for that, to be honest, later on. 140 pips, we could probably do that by about Friday if we keep bullish. It just depends on how we're gonna see price action go, because we're getting about 0.34%. So let's just say 0.4 from here, 0.4 from here. Yeah, Friday is possible. This is going over to New York session, and this is going over to here. This is to Monday. You know what? That can go over to New York session there. That should be good enough. I'm gonna grab that, come down, put that there. You know what? We've got a nice channel forming here, you know, on Euro. Lovely little channel forming. I very much like the look of that. Oh, that's lovely. But this might melt all the way through. So if it does, I'll have to wait for price to drop down and give me a chance to push up high and target the highs. So I might cut this low, even though it might not really come that deep. How's your Lucid accounts or whatever it is, that prop firm? How's it things going with that? Okay, gold up 0.8%, so we did a bit of a move there. This is interesting. Silver, woo! Silver's up 3.8. Lucid is really good. I requested one payout already. Wow, bro, how are you finding so many good trades, man? You're killing it. Go on, lad. What's it gonna do? Oh yeah, Bitcoin. We buying stuff in there. Yeah, that's interesting. What else are gonna look at? Bitcoin. Ah, oil. They're hovering around that level. Doing a break test and we're pushing on gold on the daily, which is interesting. We're still coming for the break on silver, which I think is going to happen very soon. Man. So you see a build up of a channel here, pullback, broke structure, tag back into entry. Now it's consolidating. I need to see a move happen on there. I want to short gold, but London session throwing me off. Yeah, I don't know about London, man, these days. But I need to start looking at New York. And when I do look at New York, yeah, it's just moving so much you can't even catch anything, bro. Like, look at this. It's just tripping. Wee boing, and then just consolidation all the way through there. I wanted to short it, but I couldn't. Where's I looking? High, low, high, high, low, high, low, lower, high, lower, low, break structure there. And it's just after my trading window. And I don't know if the SL size was valid or not. Was the SL size valid? It's probably on M1 as well, wasn't it? So oh yeah, it was way too big. SL was ginormous. Oh yeah, that's probably why I didn't take it, because I do remember looking at charts yesterday. But yeah, bro, I met some goth girls. Oh, why are they so attractive? And you said you want to short gold. I mean, gold just come out, took Asian midline from yesterday. Yeah, man, I'm at abandoned London, only here to watch your stream, only gonna trade New York. Yeah. That's good shot, man, really good shot. I think if you look at price here, yeah, it's kind of like a key area, and price broke out. I think that's a fake out, bro. I literally think this is a fake out, and that price is gonna go down from a technical standpoint. But fundamentals and stuff like that, I don't short gold. I don't generally like shorting gold. It has to be too good to miss it. Too good to consider it, sorry. What? Too good to miss it, what the hell? So let's see what happens here then. I see a build up there, and then now we've started to push down. We're gonna start to see price move in the required direction now, possibly. I like how we've got that first leg forming, breaking structure there. If you get a pullback and take a second leg, I might be willing to take a stab. Only issue is we are so close to that invalid zone. My trading is too slow paced, man. Even though it's on M1, like the trade frequency is so low, yeah. It's very slow paced. But it's just good, to be fair. Like there's a positive within that. As you could say here, build up, build up, deep, invalid zone, hopefully. Let's just see what happens with price. But at the same time, we've got one leg, two leg forming after taking Asia high. You got this zone here, which could be an invalid zone. Need to mark that out as well, because I don't want to trade if price touches that level either, because then I'm just going to be an idiot trade then. Bro, I still haven't downloaded or played a single game on this computer, man. Bearmans have been shorting it. Play Warzone, bro. Bro, you know what I did? I downloaded PUBG because I was trying to like test the computer by like, you know, testing the GPU and stuff like that, because I've been tinkering with the settings and like trying to like fully get 99% of the performance at the GPU and the CPU, yeah. And it told me that what you could do is ChatGPT said download a game like PUBG and just basically run around and just run around, turning around, and then you like stop pushing the CPU, GPU, and then it'll tell you how good your score is and if the computer shuts down or like automatically black screens or something like that if your settings are too aggressive. So I did that, and I don't know if the controls on PUBG are similar to all other shooting games, but bro, do you know how hard it is, yeah, to press W, A, then sprint, then jump, then squat, and then change your reload stuff and stuff like that, bro? It's really bad. It's really, really bad. I can't play games like that. It's too much going on. That just gives you basic specs in it, yeah. Like I'll turn mine on right now. So I've got for mine, yeah, I use but don't people literally get computers to play on a keyboard, no? So I've got mine as FPS, average frames, GPU utilization, GPU power, GPU temp, GPU hotspot temp, CPU utilization, and CPU temp. They're the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 I've got when you have the overlay, like the pop-up overlay. It might be better with the controller then, I suppose. But on the computer, I guess it's hard, bro. Now only Counter-Strike for keyboard, every other game we use controller. Why? So you're telling me all gamers that play COD, yeah, even if they have a computer, they still play with the controller? That makes sense, because you probably want better FP, because Counter-Strike doesn't allow controller. Oh, this is all new to me. Yeah, because controllers allow auto aim. Oh, that helps, innit? Yeah. Right, okay, that makes sense now. Okay, I definitely can't go long from here now. Tag this invalid zone, man. It's too bait. Because once you tag an invalid zone, if you've got structural zones, price is going to take those zones out. It's not going to mitigate them and come down. It has to like take that level out or take that level out and then push down. So if I want to go long, I can't go long now because I'm stuck in a sticky situation. Sticky like a Ricky on Dave. I basically use my PlayStation controller on PC. Well, I've got a controller here. Look, I bought one, innit? It's an Xbox style one. Look, can you see? It's an Xbox style controller, innit? So I bought this from Amazon. It's like 8 quid or something, 9 quid. I was like, that'll do me fine. Looks like it could be shorting.
At 2:45 AM Eastern Time, we get French consumer confidence forecast 90, prior 90.
Well, when I was on Steam downloading the games, I only downloaded the games which allowed you to use their controller. And I swear, Counter-Strike said you can, I'm sure. Bro, my FPS was mad. Guess how much FPS I was getting on PUBG? Guess how much FPS I was getting on PUBG, bro? Bear in mind it's only 1080p monitor, yeah, but still. Bro, 550 FPS. And the absolute lowest was 420. I told you this computer's built, bro, for like hardcore, proper top tier professional gaming, man. I'm not even joking. It's proper fully built computer, bro. This, yeah, can do anything. It can do video editing aggressively. It could do like You know, if I wanted to do AI stuff like that, yeah, you know, I had to have like a proper heavy duty GPU and a solid CPU. This could do majority of the like heavy workloads and stuff like that, which is why I wanted this setup in it. If I had a slightly better GPU, it'd be sick. What ND graphics processor name? I want to suss it out. The GPU is called the 9070 XT. It's literally the best AMD graphics card has at the moment. But Nvidia has a tier higher called the 5080, and then their big daddy called the 5090. AMD does not have anything comparable to that, because the 9070 XT is the newest one. The one that had comparable to 5080 is called the 7900 XTX. That's a proper RAM GPU, yeah. But the reason I didn't buy it is because it's older. So because it's slightly older, like this GPU's got 16 gig RAM, a 16 gig memory. That XTX has got 24, but it's 3 or 4 years old. So you know how you got ray tracing and ray synchronization and all that stuff that makes the FPS better? The XTX has an old generation version of that, whereas this GPU is the newest one, so it has the new 4.5 version, whereas the XTX had the 3.5. So if AMD made a 8900 XTX, that would be their new king tier thing, but they haven't made it yet. Cost me 700 USD. I paid £630, which is about 750 USD, but I got a good deal on it, because normally the 9070 XTs, they're about 700 to 850. I managed to get mine for cheap, innit? I found a deal on it. But it's a good GPU though, man. Like you don't. I'll show you in it. 1 second.
South Korea Parliament approved
1 sec.
commercial act revision aimed at boosting share valuations.
Here's what it looks like. It's the OC version as well. OC, which is overclocked. Which is why I bought this one. And I remember I was telling you I was doing the settings on it. It's because I was trying to overclock it even more. I was trying to overclock it even more to get more performance out, which is why I had to use PUBG, because before it was working fine, and then when I put game on it, just blacked the whole screen out and reset the whole computer. I was like, oh okay, that means I'm too aggressive on the settings. I was dialing the settings in. Now I think I got the GPU around like 95-97% efficiency, which is perfect. CPU is chilling, that can go hard all day, that can. The only thing is it doesn't have RGB fans, but I'll be honest, bro, the case has got so much RGB lighting anyway. This GPU compared to Nvidia's 5070 Ti, because that's their equivalent, the 5070 Ti, that's about $200 more. About on the higher side, $300, so about $200 to $250 more, and they're almost comparable on like FPS and everything, almost exactly comparable. The only difference is, you know, the DLSS that you get with Nvidia is slightly better, but it's not £200 or $200 in my opinion worth it. This is gonna do the job anyway. I'd rather side with AMD than Nvidia, because I think AMD is gonna just do better. Because Nvidia's already said, yeah, Jensen Huang's already said, we're not making new GPUs for gaming this year because of all the AI stuff in it. So I think that AMD is gonna like start pumping out hardcore graphics cards now, because they're gonna be like, you know what, if they're gonna stick with all this AI stuff, we'll just start conquering all the gaming stuff out. RTX mode. What is RTX mode? What is that? What is that? And I'll tell you what AMD has as an equivalent. I used to prefer Nvidia and Intel, but after doing research and stuff like that, bro, AMD's the absolute top dog. I was thinking, nah, Intel's sick, bro. Nvidia's sick. They're good, but then I was going to say AMD. And then I was like, no wonder everyone has AMD computers. I think that's a DLSS, innit? I think that's a DLSS. This graphics card can do 4K gaming, no problem. It can't do it with high FPS. I think I'm gonna get about 60 to 90 FPS on 4K, which is not bad. I think on 8K it's like 30 FPS or something like that. But who's gonna play 8K gaming? I don't think it's even possible. At that point, you might as well go in the streets and pull out your Glock and be like, I'm playing live. I'm playing the real game. Oh damn it. Oh damn it. Yeah, it's like boosting frame rates and stuff like that. Let me find out what. Let me use ChatGPT in it. What is NVIDIA's RTX mode? And does AMD have something similar? GPT is on it, lad. Don't worry. Oh, it's a ray tracing. Yeah, it's a real-time ray tracing. AMD has that as well. But the ray tracing embraced upscaling DLSS RTX cards also. So in practice, RTX mode is equals ray tracing plus RTX hardware, usually DLSS, to make it run. Yes, they do. AMD does have that. So AMD has FSR, yeah. So AMD has RTX branding, yes. Ray tracing. AMD has it, but they don't have a name for it. It's just ray tracing in it, yeah. Hardware acceleration, yes, both of them. AI upscaling, Nvidia has DLSS, AMD has FSR. Now the DLSS is slightly better than FSR, but as I said, if you're comparing the 5090, the 5070 Ti to this GPU I've already got, yeah, the Ti is $200 to $300 more, and the DLSS is only marginally better, like just a slight margin. So I would rather save $200, $300, and not be so worried about 2 to like 5 FPS or something like that. But to be honest, I don't like using that. I like using native in it, because if you start looking into it, you know, the more you use all these AI sampling things. I was watching like videos and stuff like that of like these gaming nerds in it, comparing the two. They said when you start using it aggressively, but that's isn't that a costing, like isn't that a buying game, not a this computer will handle most games. This can handle every single AAA game, and AAA games are the highest tier ones like Cyberpunk, all that stuff. No, it's free. Okay, I'll check it. I'll check it. This can handle all games, and it can handle all games in 4K. It's literally like great. The only reason you'd want a 5080 or a 5090, which is basically the best GPUs on the market right now, is the 5090 is about £3,000. It's probably like $4.5K, yeah, 4K US dollars. It's probably like 5K Aussie. That's if you're literally trying to do AI stuff, yeah, like next level AI stuff, or if you want to do 4K gaming with like 200 Hz refresh. But the monitor for a 4K 27-inch or 32-inch monitor with 200 hertz, bro. It's like a $600-800 monitor.
First quarter for market stability.
So that's for only like the absolute nut jobs. Like I don't know why you'd even need that, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why you'd even need that. The 5080 will probably do it as well, but it'll probably do it at like 100 FPS, which is still overkill. Well, this is what I tried to overclock mine with efficiency in the mind in it. So in mind, so what I've done with mine is I've undervolted it, yeah. So basically, you know, when you put more voltage into it, the more watts you put, the more voltage, naturally you have more heat increase, yeah. So what I did was I overclocked it to make the cores run higher, so you get more FPS, which does heat the core. But then what I did was I allowed the power supply to give it 10% more wattage safely, but then I reduced the voltage by 100 milliseconds on the voltage in it, yeah. So it's like you're forcing the card to go higher by giving it more power, but then you're cutting the voltage, so then it's not spiking as hard, if that makes sense. And the benefit is you reduce temperatures, which allows the GPU to hold higher speeds because it's boosting to that clock level. Then it's boosting to that clock level, it's boosting the FPS, and it holds it for a longer duration because you're cooling it more with less voltage. But the wattage is still there, so it's getting all the power it needs in terms of watts, but the volts are not there to burn it out too much, if that makes sense. So they call it overclocking undervolting, which is what I've done basically in it. Now, if you was to overclock and overvolt, you'd get way more performance, but you basically take the risk of burning it out. Now, I've done mine quite safe here because I've only overclocked it by like 5%. I think people do about 30% as an aggressive overclock in it, yeah? But I think you get about 10-15 FPS at 2K, so 1440p. I don't need all this quality in gaming, do I? Because on a 2K monitor on CS2, I should still get 300 frames per second, and my monitor is going to be 180 hertz, so I'm not even going to see that. So I was going to cap it to 180 anyway, or whatever FPS. So yeah, that's what I've done. So I've tried to do it where temperature is the most important thing. They say you got a thermal spot, you got a hotspot temp, which is the hottest point in the GPU. It said 80 to 85 is very, very efficient. 85 to 90 is acceptable. Up to 95 is on the higher end. 95 plus is you're burning the card. Literally, mine is 78 degrees, bro. I was playing, and I was on PUBG for like an hour, bro. Just like running around and I wasn't playing, I was just running around and moving around and stuff like that for an hour. And it peaked at like 80, 81. And then ChatGPT said that is exceptional cooling for your case and your GPU. So it said that GPU should last a comfortable fair few years. Like, this should last until it needs upgrading, to be honest, bro. So probably 5, 6, 7 years. Because of the setup I've built in it. And bear in mind, my case has got 9 fans, yeah? Yes, Moangi, hello. My case has got 9 fans, which is a benefit because underneath the GPU, I've got 3 fans pulling air into the GPU, and then the GPU is sucking air from there. And then above the GPU, I've got 3 fans pulling the heat out. So it's a really good airflow. So as long as you're cooling it really good, yes, Ahad, you can play those high demanding games all day long, no problem. You chill out. You chill out, lad.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Okay, so we got first leg, second leg. You pull out my bloody iPad, mate. Get ready for a trade. Come on. I need money, mate. I need bloody money. Saad's getting payout after payout after payout. I need to catch up. That is the wrong mentality. Oh shit. Look at that. Look at that. Are you taking the piss? Do you have to take the piss like that? Are you serious? First leg, second leg, straight up tags invalid zone. I swear to you, man. What is this? I'm jealous of your GPU now. It's good, you know. It's really good. Really good. The only thing I would do with this computer, yeah, if I had the 5090, it's the best computer you can build on the market right now. Literally the absolute best. Because I've got everything else top tier, bro. Like, everything else is so good. Motherboard's high end, not 10 out of 10, but it's like an 8 out of 10 motherboard. You don't really need a 10 out of 10. RAM is 64 gig. Nowadays, that's a 15 out of 10. CPU is the best AMD CPU on the market. So I've got the best CPU, which I bought mainly for trading because this can handle gaming easy, but it can do like everything really, really good. Like really, really good, which is why I bought this CPU. The case has got 9 fans here, so cooling's absolute top tier, ventilation's top tier because I've vented out really good and stuff. Yeah, Rami computer, mate, absolute Rami computer. Okay, we've picked that level out. But now I'm confused. That big wick rejection, could that be classed as a sweep and then a push down? And then this is the low here? Because you've taken Frankfurt high now. Damn it, I'm somewhat confused as to what to do here. But honestly, the computer's so good. Customer, I can't explain it. I've literally got, yeah, all my MetaTraders open. I've got CTrader open. I've got Heron Copier open. I've got TradingView open. I've got OBS open. I've got the soundboard open. I've got Brave browser open with ChatGPT, YouTube, Financial Juice, X. So everything's open. And then obviously I'm streaming as well. I could open Discord and Telegram, no problem. And the CPU is probably like 20% utilization or 30% utilization, and the GPU's that's not even that's asleep. The GPU's like asleep. I bet the fans ain't even spinning. Yeah, the fans ain't even spinning on the GPU. So let me show you this in it, yeah. So this would be good for you to see. Task manager. So have a look at. Huh? Why doesn't it show task manager? Why is it doing that? Let me try and. Oh, it doesn't even show on task manager. Raw, why is that? Is it because it's supposed to be on here? No, it doesn't even show it. That's weird. CPU right now is 9% utilization. GPU right now is 16 gigs, so I've got 45 gig left. Internet's obviously full shebang. The GPU is using about 37%. The temperature is 48 degrees. So hardly any usage at all on the GPU, to be honest. So yeah, computer's like not, bro, it's on the lowest fan speed setting there is. I've got it on 20% fan speed at lowest temps. So it's basically like it's not even stressed out. It's literally chilling. Like there's nothing going on. It's sick. Don't know what to do about GU now that's done that move. I'll have to look at EU now and figure out what the hell to do. And with this, I can't take a long because, as I said, it's tagged into that invalid zone. We did have a push down, pull back, and a push down. Now there is a bunch of lows here that prices come taken out to now go higher and take out the invalid zone. So that's fine. So we didn't continue to push down, which is perfect, because I was suspicious about that on GJ. Shall I download Battlefield 6 now? I don't know if it makes a difference. 1 second. Wait. Let me go on here. See if you turn the bloody iPad on, innit? The euro is coming down, so it could be an actual sweep of that high and then prices coming down. It's hard to say because again, so much variation between EU and GU.
FTC conducted on-site inspection of Microsoft.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. So EU's taken the low. Now we got to figure out, yeah, if this is a breaker structure, or if it's actually going to be a sweep. That's going to be the hard part. GU's flying up, man. What the hell is going on with EU and GU? They're both diverging so hard. Oh wow, look at GJ go. Yo. London is so random, bro. Yeah, I'm not surprised. What happened? What did you see? Fuck me, yo, what's going on here, man? Literally, what the hell is going on? Don't like using supply zones. On key going and then give us a nice chance for a potential reversal, man. I'd love a nice trade. Come on, lad. Brother, be clean with me, man. Don't blue bloody F-bot with me. Tagged into a supply zone, but that supply zone is invalid. Why? Because it didn't lead to any structural zones being taken or anything. So higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. That's a higher high. Why do you want to short from a higher high? Nah, that zone should fail. That zone should fail. Price is bullish. Build channel, sweep that. Build up, sweep, build up, sweep, build up, sweep. Build up, sweep. That should go higher. GU should go higher. Let's sit, wait and see. Get rid of that. Don't need that anymore. See what it's gonna do. Feel like that's a breaker structure. But London swept that. Like at London Open, leaving Frankfurt High available. So it might not be breaker structure. It might actually be a sweep. So I think Euro USD might go long, which would line up with the idea that we're gonna go long on pound as well, which I prefer when things line up together. What are you saying, Wangi? Have you seen anything interesting on the charts? And Sahad, why is London so random? What happened? On 30-second chart, man. Need 2 solid legs and then I'm gonna go long. Yeah, it's saying that in 2K quality, yeah, with your GPU, games like Starfield, Cyberpunk, UE5 games, Alan Wake 2, they normally sit between 90 and 160 FPS. So if you get 180 FPS monitor, you'll be fine. But PUBG, you might get 250 to 300 because it's not that demanding. Counter-Strike 2 should be similar as well. So if you get 180 FPS monitor, you'll be okay. But if you go for 240 Hz monitor, you're not going to use it on most games. It's only going to be on 1 or 2 games, which makes sense. So yeah, unless I could get 200 Hz, but I don't know if they do a 200 Hz monitor. I think so I'll just stick with the 180. I think 180 is probably perfect, man. Perfect refresh rate. Yen's the weakest pair at the moment. AUD and NZD is quite strong. Crazy market. Yeah, bro, there's a lot going on. That's for sure. That's 1,000,000% for sure. There's a lot going on. So what game did you tell me to download, Sahad? I'll download it now whilst you're on stream, because it might take about half an hour anyway to download it, or whatever, or an hour. Which one was it? Got Assetto Corsa. That looks cool, man. Have they got any other new games? The games are so expensive, man. But they got deals on. Let's have a look at the deals. Outer Wilds, no. Euro Truck Simulator, no. Ark. This Ark Raiders. Ark Survival Ascend. I think that's an Ark Raiders game. I've seen the name Ark Raiders. Super Golf, Formula F1. Nah, that's boring. Jurassic World. What type of game would Jurassic World be, man? How would you even play that?
It'll bring the pack.
Monster Hunter Wilds. Yo, that look mad. Had big dragons in that. You know what? Monster Hunter looks sick. Monster Hunter looks cool. I like that. That looks cool. Football Manager. That looks dead. Monster Hunter World. But there's more. Okay. It Takes Two. That's it. That's the only discounts. Dragon Ball Sparkling Zero. Oh, I am a child. I am a child. Battlefield 6 Red Sec. Okay. Does it have to be that one version? Yeah. Ark Raiders is mad fun. If so, install Resident Evil. I don't like Resident Evil games. I don't do zombies and stuff like that. I get jump scared easy. Okay, so we're still dropping down. You had a massive sell-off here from London. I was hoping we were gonna get 1-2 more bullish candles, take out the high and then drop. But I suppose London literally just took out Frankfurt high and then did this meltdown, which is expected. Okay, so Battlefield 6 Red Sec. I think I can search it. Battle, 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 FIELD, Battlefield 6. Let's search Battlefield 6. So there's Battlefield Red Sec that was released in October 2025. but there's no Battlefield 6 red sec. Oh my god, there's some haram stuff as well. Oh, what the flip. Yo, Steam's got mad games on here. What the hell? Yo. Battle Babes. Oh dear. Total Annihilation. No. Total War Shogun 2. That looks good. No, that's a bad rating. Bad rating. So there's Battlefield Red Sec. That's the one, but it's part of 6. Is just 6 is the campaign. Red Sec is multiplayer. Okay, so Battlefield. Let me show you in it. Look, I'll show you, and then you can say yes or no. If it's this one, I think it is though. There you go. So this one here. This one. Is that it? The one that I've highlighted? Yeah, that's it. Alright, let's download that. Why has it got bad reviews?
Approaching the drop zone.
Bro, these Battlefield games have really bad reviews, you know? Like really bad reviews. So what's the... Where does it tell you the Xbox controller? Perfect. Does it tell you the spec of it, man? Normally it shows the spec of the game. Huh? There's a lot of bad reviews. Oh, wait. Omens are still having issues with crashes, and I have a pretty good system. Oh, 1700 XTX. He's got a good graphics card. He's got the daddy one that's telling you about. The granddad GPU, the one that's not a single bit of effort to try and fix that. All the hype for Battlefield is core multiplayer. Bro, this it looks really bad from the reviews, bro. Are you sure this is a good game? I played COD and Red Sec, but I prefer Battlefield. It's just my PC could handle it on ultra settings. Right, okay. I don't understand, man. Oi. They got banger track. California, know how to party in the city where we sleeping. Yeah, boy. I rate it just because of the music. California love. Finesse like Indian finesse. California love. I show you the curry. My name is Patel. They all bloody know me. In the night time, nobody sleeping. We're all showering. We're all stinking. Gauntlet mode. Bro, you know, it looks really good in the video. Like, I don't do shooter games, but the video looks really entertaining. Like, that was a very entertaining clip, wasn't it? Let's download it. A 90 gig. It's not that big either, to be fair. I've got 1.5 terabyte left, so that's fine. We'll download it, and then if it's a heavy duty game, then I'll take it in it, and then I'll play it and see how the computer does. But this is my the list of games I want to get: Dragon Ball Sparkling Zero, Forza Horizon 6, Tekken 8, and then Initial D on the release. Oh, that's gonna be a bad man game. That is gonna be a bad man game. Huh? Have they already released a trailer? Yeah, this looks sick, bro. You got cockpit mode as well, yeah. Go on, load the picture, man. Yeah, that looks sick. Initial D, I'm all for that, bro. All for that. It's a car game, innit? Racing game. It's based on the anime of the Drift King from Japan. Tsuchiya, the race car driver. It's car stuff and you're not gonna enjoy it. Tekken 8 looks good as well. Tekken 8. Oh, I want Street Fighter as well. I want Street Fighter 2 also. Yeah. Best fighting game of 2024. Yeah, mate, I'm all for that. You got other games as well. Dark Soul, Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2. I remember that. That was a good game. A Street Fighter's 35 quid, bro. You mad? Oh, Bleach Rebirth of Souls. Oh, that's 70 quid. Are you mad? Bro, why are these games so expensive, man? Bad though. Right, so that should be downloading. Battlefield 6. Yeah, that's downloading now anyway. Still sometimes you're a proper pudu. The proper pudu. I can't say it to you like the case mum hates me in it.
William Knife Man.
According to the Commerce Ministry, China encourages imports of services related to chip research and development and design.
Basically saying, yeah, Battlefield 6 Red Sec on full settings will be about 220 FPS. No. 300 plus FPS, and then in 2K it'll be about 200. But that's with everything enabled, all the settings, everything. Which is very GPU demanding actually. So we took that out there, had a massive drop off here, had to pull back a wick there, and now we're coming back down. No clear direction as of yet where we're going. Now this looks like a fake out, which I still find interesting. I think there was an entry right here, but I honestly think it would have got swerved. No, it might have got tagged. But it broke structure so quickly and tagged into that level, like, I wasn't even paying attention, I'll be honest, man. I wasn't even paying attention. I was looking at games, wasn't I? Damn it. But it was 2 minutes though, man. Broke structure and then 1-2 minutes it tagged straight back. I don't know if I would have had the time to get in that UJ trade. Possibly, or I would have just missed it. Hello. We'll see where that goes. Downloaded 5% already. It's going to take probably... Does it say time? It doesn't show the time how long it's going to take. Probably about an hour-ish. Was there any invalidation on that short? Not really, no. Yeah, there was a short there, I suppose, but I wasn't sure on the direction, so I didn't take it. Alright, price is falling. I was wrong today, no problem. It is what it is. It is what it is. So I missed UJ longs. I was wrong on GU. Well, I was right on going long here because obviously it went long and it failed, but I couldn't catch an entry on there. Then after I said London opens come taken this high, I wanted to go higher. I waited and it dropped. I was like, oh dear. And then I said it's taken Frankfurt highs, could be going down, which it did. That's fine. Would have gone short here, but oh well. Now UJ's looking good, you know. Would have been a pretty quick break even as well. This is one of the things I think is one of the hardest things about trading is when you're so bored, yeah, that you start just doing something else and then you come back and you miss a trade, but you can't help it because it's so
Microsoft
boring.
Japan says it's cooperating with Japan's FTC's requests.
Here's my lighter. I'm gonna set fire to the rain. Yeah. I'm just gonna set that. Where am I gonna set that? Set it here. Be away from anything that can catch fire. I'm still confident on the idea of longs. If it happens, I'm gonna take it. I'm just gonna keep an eye out just in case it does give it. It was build up sweet, push higher, took the highs, dropped all the way down. I don't know, we'll see in it. As long as you don't touch a bloody supply zone. You got first leg, pull back. God damn it, it's gonna be awkward, isn't it? Yeah, it's gonna be awkward. That smells nice. How is the gold doing and silver? You wanted to short gold is pushing up. Oh god, yeah, I can get rid of that completely now. Yeah. Perfect. Key going higher. What level is that? There's a structural zone with a fair value gap above it. Okay, let's see what happens around there then. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. How far's the download now? So it is 15%. Okay. That's okay. That's okay. I got Counter-Strike 2. Let me go to the game on the store because I'm sure you can use yeah. I was just looking for counter. How do you like just go to view the game? Like store page, view page. Yeah. Oh, it doesn't allow hand. What's its face?
For over 2 decades, Counter-Strike has offered an elite competitive experience, one shaped by millions of players from across the globe. And now, the next chapter in the CS story is about to begin. This is Counter-Strike 2. That's just made an equal high. Hello?
Can you speak to Mubashir Babu, please?
Calling who?
This is Andrew. I'm calling from Leading Views. Need a 30 seconds to answer 3 simple questions and we are done. So can you just tell me what brand of washing machine are you using? Hoover, Hotpoint, Samsung, Beko?
Sahad, can you please stop your Indian brothers, bro? Please stop them. Sahad, please stop your Indian brothers. I don't know if you're here or not. If you're not, then you missed it. If you're here, then that's funny as hell. I did not understand the word he said. What? What? I did not even understand a word that come out of his damn mouth. Price is so crappy, man. You had a nice bit of a move in Frankfurt. They had London open, drop in price, and then just recovered straight back again without really giving an entry or anything. It just kind of pulled straight back in. GJ is still going higher, which is good. I wanted to take that high and then do a nice contraction. And you have built a bit of a channel going on, I suppose, kind of. Yeah, I suppose you could say that. On the 1 minute chart, it's a bit more clearer. There, so built a bit of a... that second one was bogus as hell. So built a bit of a channel. Hopefully pull up, then come down. Touch wood. Let's see what happens with that. UJ was going good. Then it pulled back for about 15 minutes. It's fine.
At 4 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Swiss ZEW expectations, prior -4.7.
Oh. UJ trade is moving good, you know, now after it's done that bit of stupid contraction bollocks. Now it's looking good.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
So we pulled up here just to drop down again. There you go.
1 minute remaining. Nine spot 8, 9 spot 8.
Yep, slap TP. Damn it, that'd have been a lovely trade if I just didn't miss it by 1, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, a few minutes to be fair. That'd have been nice. Oh dear. I need to see price start to reverse soon because now you've taken it by a comfortable 10-11 pips. Otherwise price is going to keep flying because then you've got no other. Let me go back to that zone again actually, man. Yeah, it's a lower high. Other than that, you just got pure clean price and for price to run all the way through here. It looks like it's gonna run all the way through then. No problem. Would have been nice to catch that, but it is what it is. These things happen. boring day today as well, man. News already occurred on yen crosses, so they're already moving direction. Don't do anything about that. Now look at UJ go. It's great when you call price action really well, but it's somewhat frustrating for the normal person when you don't get an entry, but I don't mind. He was on 30% download. I'll be floating about 12R right now. I'd have probably been like 30k ish. Oh dear. I see a nice channel on Euro, but I need to wait for something significant to happen for me to try and get into some type of long if I was going to take it on Euro. And I don't know if it would. With the way UJ is moving. I mean, look at the DXY. Looking strong, mate. Looking strong. DXY be like, oh, I'm going to keep going higher, mate. Peace out, sucker, man. Ugh. 45 pips right now. Damn it, man. We were looking at Battlefield 6 when the entry occurred. That's annoying, man. Minor, it is what it is. That's funny though. That's funny. Wait, I'm gonna send the picture to the Discord. Right, I put it in the Discord now.
RBA's Bullock says we recognized in February that inflation was too high.
That is so funny. I wasn't ready for it. I wasn't ready. Maybe now. We're at 60 pips now. Boy, yo.
Everybody, this is Donald J. Trump.
Donald J. Trump kiss my ass.
If you're a real day trader, go real time at financial juice.
Yeah, price is rallying through that level. We are done, mate. Done, do.
67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
Nearing 9:30. I don't see us really coming down to that level, in all honesty. That could probably go over to about here on Thursday. We're gonna look at drawing out zones and levels. This will probably be the first one to look at, and then this would probably be the second. I don't know how much price is gonna keep rallying on this, so we'll have to see where the next zone might be, around midline here, possibly. So I'll mark that as well. Won't do anything with euro. Just gonna keep it there out the way. Pound. I think they still might.
And Bullock says the economy is in quite a good position and policy judgments are difficult.
In all honesty, these two are gonna go over to the next day. That can go to 4 o'clock. As can that. If that zone fails, that might be the next low. Could hit full TP by about 10 to about 10:15, which it's 61 pips anyway, so it probably will do it in the next 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Ah. Which means there's a low likelihood we're gonna catch something now. You know what? Might as well check the thingy on here. What time was the entry? Entry was at 17. So let's go on here and then check 17. About 10:17 on here. Yeah. So if it was to set it instant, set it through here. So once price broke, at 14 it broke. Yeah, and then entry would have been 25, which did probably get tagged, and then used to go back here. Ooh, maybe too far back there. Yeah, there you go. So the 30 would have been there. 25 and 90. I'd have probably done that. So it would have tagged actually as well, because that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Yeah, so it would have tagged because the low was 19 and the spreads are oh, the big drop there. What happened there? Oh, hello. Oh, hello. What's going on here? Spreads are like 0.2, 0.3, so yeah, odds are it would have definitely got tagged. Right, let's just look at news, see if there's anything happening. Nothing's happened. We've had a lovely move down from there, haven't we? Absolutely lovely move down. That could just be a profit-taking thing. Or sellers stepping in, maybe, I'm not sure. We're to get in London low there. Bro, Kasme got cooked, man. So how they tell me to download Battlefield 6, yeah, I did that, and then Kasme, look what I missed, man, on UJ. And 30. It's so close to TP and it's had a massive sell-off, which is interesting. Bloody pool. Bloody pool. Because I'm downloading Battlefield 6, innit, yeah, because you told me to. It's at 50% right now. So yeah, that would have been a nice trade, man, because I think my payout request date on the 200k on the 100k funded, I think I would have got that payout tomorrow. Let me have a look. Let me have a look, see what's happening. sure? Why not let me log in, stupid? There, now it's let me in. There, active accounts, boom. Gaza, what the flip? Okay, they resetted it already. So now the payout date's on the... Huh? Ends on March 9th. Oh, so they resetted it on Monday. Now I've got 2 weeks to get a payout. Yeah, that's fine. No problem. No problem. No problem. That was good as well, you know. I think partials would have been massive on this. Because it would have been 35 or follow the closure of the candle. So it would have been probably 10.3 or partials, which ain't bad. And it peaked at around 60 something. To be honest, yeah, I would have rolled stops to here. And then this drop off would have tagged my rolled stops. I would have closed out around 10R, to be honest. Yeah, sounds about right. Yeah, I would have. Yeah, so price didn't go full TP at 70. It just missed 65. I need to get more data on UJ, man. Because I'm using yen, GBP yen TP levels on UJ, but UJ just doesn't have the volume, I don't think, generally. So I might need to knock it off by 5 or 10 pips, which if that is the case, then it would make sense that 60 pips, it went past a few more, then it dropped off, which does make sense. You know what I'm gonna do, yeah? I'm gonna do 4.5 pip on a 60 pip TP for UJ. Or should I do 65? Nah, I'll do 60. 60 is more safe. I'd rather hit it more often than less often. And then 4.5, I said we can keep that the same. But you know, I'll just keep it in my mind, innit? 60 pip TP for UJ, 60 pip, not 70, which is what I would seek on GJ. That's fine. Nice trade that though, still. I'm not sure what happened here though with that move dropping down on yen. I didn't see anything on the news. Have they said anything? No, they said nothing. So could just be profit taking, I guess. We got unemployment claims today, New York session. That's not gonna give much volume at all. think we're done, man. We're at 9:45. I just don't see us really making a move from here. It doesn't really make sense. We've been eating, bro. Trust me, bro. I've been having, yeah, flipping, what's it called? Mum's made like chicken pakora, yeah, with the butter and stuff like that. They made wings with the butter for yo. I've had crisp cut fries, curly fries, pakora, samosa, shish kebab, bro. Man's getting big. Man's getting big. I said, do you know the funny thing as well? Yeah, I said to myself, these rosé, I'm gonna have water and fruit. I buckled hard. I need to lose weight, man. I'm too heavy. Or go gym. Like, yo, I need to do something. Got to eat fresh today and get some salmon and pan fry. Yeah. I'm gonna eat whatever Mom's made today. Then I'm gonna say, look, please try and make it healthy, man. Please, innit? Please allow me. Please try and make it healthy so I can lose some weight. How am I gonna find a freaking wife if I'm fat, bro? All the women I want are 10s as well, god damn it. Yeah, that UJ trade was lovely, man. Absolutely lovely. When you in the money, you can marry anyone. Not necessarily, because women nowadays are mad, you know. They still want like bear this and that and stuff like that. And I want more than one wife, bro. Because I can't be honest with one woman. I'd rather get married to more, and then when they piss me off, I dip. Literally, I ain't sticking with one woman, man. She's gonna be like, oh, I'm your only wife, you have to listen to me. Shut up, man. Shut your mouth, innit? Chill. I'm marrying two, mate. So when you chill, when you piss me off, I'm going to the other wife, innit, yeah? And then when you're like, he hasn't seen me for 2 weeks, you're gonna act right then. You know what I'm saying? She's gonna act right then. Yeah, I don't know where to go, man. I want like a Latina in it, but you've got Bolivians, like you got Peruvians and Bolivians you're accepting Islam, yeah, but I don't really want to revert either because they've been whacked out and beat out by a bear, man. I don't know, man. It's a tricky one. The tricky one. Hopefully I catch something clean in New York. It'd be very nice. This is definitely the weekly low. Gold's been, you know what it is? With gold, yeah? You've had all the news about AI and stuff like that potentially buckling loads of other companies and stuff in it, which I think is the main reason why everyone's a bit kind of like, whoa, where do we go with AI now type thing in it. So I feel like that might be the reason why we're struggling to see upside pressure. Yeah, that's what I think anyway. I think there's gonna be another leg to the downside, in all honesty. I think there's gonna be another leg. I might be wrong about that, obviously, but I feel like there might be another leg to the downside. I think BTC, oh yeah, 100%. Let me set my alert back on as well. Put my alert back on. Let me have a look at so the VIX is still in 19.5, yeah, which is not bad. Oil's down 1%, Bitcoin's up to 3 on ETH, 5 on platinum. Silver is up 4. Whoa, yo, platinum's up 6%. Yo, wait a second. Oh god, the spreads are too bad. Oh wow, I can't trade that. 7 pip spread. They don't have a good enough feed yet for that. Damn it. What about palladium? Is that going to be the... Yeah, platinum and palladium have too big a spread for me to look at trading them. Yen still weak across the board. CHF, GCHF, Euro CHF, ADC. Yeah, you see, yeah, CHF and Yen is weak. That's interesting. It's funny on DXY because when you go on the monthly chart, you're just seeing that price is really holding this 96, 97 level, man, on the day on the monthly chart for DXY. What's this? What's new? It doesn't matter. Bitcoin will definitely go down. We got more to come. We got a lot more to come with Bitcoin and the indices. I think we got a lot more to come. Let's do 30-minute on Bitcoin. Yeah, I think we dropped down to a 55% discount. I think it was 55% was the peak. Was it? Wait, 1 second. %, was the peak drop. I'd like to get in around 55, to be honest. 55% discount seems nice to me. I already drawed it. Yeah, there. 57 basically is 55%. I think that's where I might start putting exposure in Bitcoin, and hopefully by then I would have had my payout as well. I would have had a payout from another company by then at this rate. I'm giving up on bloody Quantech or taking the piss. Taking the piss too much. Yeah. That would be more of a position trade. I'd probably try and hold that for like a couple years, and then I just keep scaling into it, and then holding and try and get like 100k out of it or something like that. I need to do more research on that though, to be fair, innit? Find out exactly where the long-term narrative is looking and stuff like that for the indices and all that stuff, and then start to see if I can kind of build like a roadmap or something to see if it makes sense for it to be traded for such a long period of time. Right, what's Battlefield 6 saying then? 62%. I'm gonna have to wait for like another bloody 40 minutes, man. It's going back up again now, isn't it? Let's have a look. Kuma took these lows. I wouldn't even say that. I would say it's just a profit taking or some sellers stepping in, and that's it. I think I can't really figure out. Let me have a look at that again, man. Why did it do that drop with 30-minute time frame? So price took equal highs right here. It tagged into a supply zone. Yeah, it tagged into a supply zone here, so that's probably sellers trying to get into there. They got triggered, had a nice move there, and now they're gonna get whacked. That makes sense, actually. That actually makes sense, yeah. And then what about on GJ then? What's happening with that? Could just be cross correlation then, possibly. There's around there, innit? Yeah, there's nothing there. Could just be cross correlation then, I suppose, with the yen or whatever, with the dollar even. Sorry, damn it. Yeah, that makes sense. Gus Hard, yeah. Proper funny guy, man. Oh man. What other assets can we look at, bro? You know what? He did mention GBPUSD earlier on, and I know that everyone's been trading that because it's had a nice fundamental move and stuff, yeah. Because look at that. It's had a nice bloody sell-off, especially from like January. It's just bloody plummeted like 6%. On 2-minute chart in it. No shit is growing I've ever done. Yeah. Yeah, it's had a clean move today, bro. That did. Look at that. That had a clean move today. So 2.8. I'd probably do a 4 pip SL because I don't know how much volume this normally has, and then I'll probably target like 20 to 25 pips for TP, but this is still going. Wow, okay. NAS in US 30. Yes, why not? Stuck in a range, innit? These lows here and then these highs here. Kind of sat in here. We had a fake out here, had a low here, and then we just sat in the middle of it. We're coming towards the high, so this would be good for range trading. If you could trade ranges and stuff like that, this would be brilliant. Sell at the highs, buy at the lows, and just come back to the medium. There's no trade on this today. You know what? My chart on indices always gets a bit weird, man. So 11. That should be 7 o'clock. Should be there. 6 should be there. So 7. So 6, 7. If so, we took the lows here. Yeah, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. Didn't break there for an entry. Took all the way through that level, which is fine. Pushed up from there. The entry would have been at London Open. I don't like that. That's messy, man. That's really messy. I don't like that. Nope. So not on NASDAQ today, but let's look at US 30. Okay, so that's 8 o'clock for London Open, and then 7 o'clock is here, so the build up here. 7 o'clock high, so a bunch of high there, a bunch of lows there. There's no trade for there, unless when we broke this level here, if there's a demand. Nope, no trade on either of NASDAQ or US 30. What about US 500? It's probably gonna be similar on this as well. Oh no, this is a bit better. This is a bit better. So we took the lows at 7. Oh, nah, I just missed it. Just missed that. Then I took all those highs out there. Got a demand zone. Nope, would have took that zone out. Nah, nothing clean on S&P or anything. What about DAX? Look at German 40. This is even worse. What the hell is going on here? Yo. I'm not even gonna look at DAX, bro. The time chart thing is just completely off it. Off his bloody nut, mate. It's bloody nut. It's good though. DAX is good, you know. You got that guy, I don't even like talking about it because I don't want to give him attention. The one who's apparently become Muslim, yeah? The one who's got that prop firm, CK or whatever it is, you lot were telling me about it. He trades DAX a lot. You know, one's gonna copy that, paste that there, and then that's that. Yeah, Kevin Chungo, Chango, Chingo, whatever it is. How far have we got in Battlefield 6, man? I'm gonna uninstall the game. I'm just gonna download it to get some, how many frames per second it is so I can tell Sahad. That's the only reason I'm doing this, yeah? Come on. Yeah, the one moved to Dubai. Yeah, he's an idiot. All of them. You know what winds me up here? Very out there topic when people revert to Islam, yeah? When they're rich and successful and then they be like, Islam's beautiful, bro. It's so good. So good. Now listen, you haven't even experienced any suffering in your life. Shut your mouth, yeah? Just because you're living in a Muslim country, the one that's got all the money, yeah, you're going to be like, yo, Islam's sick. That's not how majority of people live, bro. And then they'd be like, I've become a Muslim. And they'd be like, listen, guys, now I'm a Muslim. I'm selling the course even more. But now I'm religious. Please come to me. And everyone's like, oh, bro, he's a reaver. He's a reaver. Give him the money. Give him the money, bro. Give him the money. Flipping stupid idiots, man. That's me. It's so true, though. Have you noticed that? The proper dumb, you know? The minute they find a reaver, they start licking his ass. And all the women be like, oh, Gafar, dick turn halal. We'll take that. I have very strong opinions on that. Very strong opinions. And it's always the white reverts as well. If it's a black revert, I got no problem. If it's a white revert, I'm telling you, man, I swear down. Yo, have you seen what happened in the mosque? In Manchester, apparently 2 men rolled in with machetes or something. With the one containing an axe. No, but what I don't understand is why did they not beat the living shit out of them and then call the police? I said, bro, what's wrong with Muslims, man? I swear down. I swear, the more I see them, the more I get vexed with them, man. Proper dumb. I swear down. Proper tapped. Or they just be on the bro, we're peaceful people vibe. Bro, we're peaceful people. Bro, we're peaceful people. Well, Palestine's on fire. Oh, bro, we're peaceful people. Kiss my ass, man. When stuff like that happens, yeah, I really... Yeah, I'm not going to say nothing, man. I get too angry about it. They reported to the police and I didn't read after that. I lost interest. They should have grabbed him, beat the shit out of him, and then gave him to the police. Do you know stuff like that only happens, yeah, because they look at Muslims and think these lot jokers, bro. You can go to their country, raid their country, bro, bomb them, attack them, and they're gonna do nothing. So you might as well start attacking them in your own country. All of that because they don't support Palestine. I'm telling you, 150%, yeah. It's because we're cowards. They look at us and think they don't even defend themselves. You might as well just go start attacking them. They're not gonna do nothing, and that's a prime example. In the holy place, yeah, they don't even defend themselves there. So it's like, obviously, I'm not saying go around beating people up, yeah, but tell them that obviously, or show them that you can defend yourself and you're not scared, innit, man? It's like when you go to jail, bro. Why does everyone be scared of the Muslims, bro? Bro, 99% of the people are cowards. And I don't believe there's any Muslims around nowadays, bro. I think everyone's just in name only. Yeah, bro, I'm Muslim, innit? That's it. Bro, forget them, just look at all the Muslims. Bro, you tell me which Muslim you know is actually a decent person, bro. I don't know any. They're exactly the same as Kafir. There's no difference, man. Every difference I have is a cultural difference. It's not a religious difference, it's a cultural difference, bro. Diet in it. Oh, we don't eat pork and stuff like that. That's a diet issue. When you look at like your belief and your stuff like that, there is no actual Islamic belief, man. It's horrendous. It's so bad. There's because if you're gonna say you're religious, bro, then or Muslim, whatever, what that means is that you should hold yourself to a higher standard than over the average person. But you walk into the street and look at everyone, yeah, look at all the Muslims and the Kafir, bro. They're exactly the same. They're doing the same thing. There's nothing different that they're doing. The only difference is one goes to the mosque and that's it. But he does everything else madness still. Gold is sitting back in the range still as well. You know what? New York's going to be good, I think, for gold and silver. I think London's just really bad these days. Really, really bad. But you can't even blame the leaders. I blame the ulama. I blame all the people who have all these religious doctorates and stuff like that, but then they can't even use their doctorate to do any justice in any way. What's the point of going to uni, bro? What's the point of going to like Al-Azhar University, yeah, to spend 10-15 years studying Quran just for like you to sit in your own room and stay quiet? And even the Dawa bros as well, they're even more funny, bro. They're just there about arguing with Christians and that's it. The minute the Muslims say, brother, I have a question, we ain't got time for you, we ain't got time for you, we ain't got time for you. Okay, so Dawa's fake, innit? That's what it is, it's fake Dawa. And half of them are nonce as well. How long till this game's done, man? About 74%. So I don't know how much longer it's gonna take. Is there anything else you wanna have a look at, bro? Any of the pairs? We looked at GBPUSD, looked at NAS indices, looked at gold and silver. Oh, let's look at some discounts for accounts. Because you're gonna get an account soon, aren't you? So let's look at discounts on some accounts. I don't think there's many on actually, to be fair. Yeah. Nah, just wait till after, innit, bro? Because you're not gonna trade it for 1-2 weeks anyway. You're probably better off being sat here on sidelines for 2 weeks. Yeah, that's good, innit, bro? The markets have been dirty, man. What do you expect? You've been sat on the sidelines at the perfect time. You would have caught no TP, you would have probably caught L's anyway, so I suppose it's alright, innit? Because the market's not exactly ideal, is it? And I've been getting swerved, yeah? And then today is a clean day, and then Saad's like, yeah, bro, download Battlefield 6, innit? Oh, kiss my chuddy. But literally, if I took that trade, I would have been up on the 100k, can't you? Like 5k. I would have had the 5k payout. Banked. Oh well. Or that would have passed at least 2 more, but minor. Oh, flipping out. Markets are horrendous. Oh dear. I haven't really been using the funded next broker yet, but looks interesting. Have you been, Haroon, if you're still here, have you been following the trades that you would have taken and missed and stuff like that? If so, how would it have turned out? Realistically, by the way. You just doing bits, man. It's pushing up again, whereas pound is still lagging. Let's look at what else. What else have we got? So we got gold's dropped, silver's holding a bit better. Gold is dropping. Not much to look at, man, is there? Not really, no. Let's have a look at Euro JPY. There's nothing clean about that either. It's just creeping upwards on Euro JPY. But this is clean build up sweep here. Then there becomes an issue. Surprised it held that and it didn't take it out. About AUD JPY. Did I delete the... No. That was much cleaner. It has been exceptionally dirty, bro. Exceptionally dirty. It's been on a different level. Then got a 40 pip move off of there. So AUD JPY has been alright as well, I suppose. It's just Trump and these markets, innit? He's really mangled the markets, man. They're not moving in usual ways, innit? I suppose the good thing is you're getting experience in a really truck market, yeah? Which is good for experience, but just means you have to be so bloody patient. On this UJ trade, I would have been completely happy with getting tagged at 60 pips, and then even if it did go higher, which is going higher now, yeah? I'd have still been completely happy with them. Where was that move again? Yeah, right there. Yeah, I would have completely been happy with 60 pips at 17.2R rather than trying to catch another 2-3R, bro, for the sake of an extra how much time? So 60 would have been basically, it would have been more than 60, it would have been 61.3. So yeah, I would have rather been out of the trade. I would have rather been out of the trade, yeah, after an hour and 10 minutes than just to sit in another hour worth of a pullback. I literally would have rather been out at 60. 150% I would have. Because who's moaning about that? You know what I mean? Who's moaning about 17.2R or whatever? Ain't no one moaning. What chilverni money?
Welcome to to Stratton Oakmont.
Bro, markets have been crap, man. Amal, bye. Markets have been crap. But Harun, I was asking you, when you've been looking on the charts the last few weeks, have you noticed anything or not? Like if you've missed good trades or if you've missed crap trades. What's up, Harun? How's your trading going? Bro, I missed a sick trade on UJ today because I was downloading a game. It was 17.2. Oh, it hit the end sheet, everything happened. I had enough time to take the trade, maybe everything, but I was not looking because I was downloading a game. Oh bro. And there was a short on eurusd, but I didn't trust it because I was confident in pound going higher. I was kind of wrong on that, which is fine. I'm alright with that. That's it, really. How's your trading going, Amal? Good, bad, or okay? Meh, been a break-even week, bro. Okay, how many trades have you taken? Do you only trade gold? Ooh, that looks nice. Ooh, 5 trades in one. Bro, it's only Wednesday. How have you taken 5 trades in 3 days, man? So look at that. We've got these lows here. I'm actually gonna have to go thinner on that because it's too thick. That's better. So you've got 1 low, 2 low, 3 low, 4 low, 5 low. Took all them out. Now it might push up. But it's outside of my trading window, so it doesn't really matter. But let's see if it does. I'm curious. 5 trades is a lot for Wednesday. Yeah. Euro is coming down. UJ is going higher. Let me. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not really expecting a 50 pip move up here. I'd expect a 27 and a 27 there either side. Then on euro, I'd expect a 21 there and a 30 there max. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, Battlefield 6 almost done. We're at 18%, 88%. I love oil. Oh yeah, oil's doing interesting. That's for sure. Oil's definitely doing interesting things. Today morning, Trump spoke about. Oh, what did he say? I didn't listen to it. What did he say? He opens his fat mouth too much. Trump does. Oh, okay. That's why they wanted the Venezuelan oil. It's funny how he says these things, yeah, after he's gone and kidnapped Venezuela's president. Proper chut. Proper chut. 100% chut. Amal, what do you trade again? Is it gold only? Gold and Bitcoin. You chose two of the worst pairs. Or the most like volatile pairs or whatever. You might as well add silver in there as well and just have the holy trinity of the three most craziest assets. Silver, Bitcoin, gold. Oh gosh. ETH gives the best moves, bro. Yeah, ETH has got good volatility in it. Really good volatility. Role rupe, oh role rupe. So we're seeing a push up on here on what's its face. Anyway, it's not doing much. Yeah, I can't say anything based off of that. There's not much going on there. %. Right, boys, I'm gonna go anyway, unless you got anything you want to say. If you don't, then I'm gonna head out. Yeah. Peace out, bro. I'll see you later. I'm definitely going to look at New York, see if there's anything clean. Hopefully we do get a nice clean move and not just price running in one direction without really giving a bloody entry. And then we'll see what happens tomorrow, innit? I think tomorrow will be okay. Wait, what news have we got today? Sorry, wait, we got news, haven't we? Wait, we've got news. No, we got news tomorrow. So today's dead. We just got Trump speaking at... Trump's already spoke. So yeah, we got nothing now till tomorrow. Tomorrow New York session. So we've only got today New York session, that might be okay. And then tomorrow New York session. That's it. And then next week we'll got an FP. I'll take an FP, man. I'll take an FP week. That'll be good, hopefully. Get some volatility and some movement in the market. Chalo, take it easy, boys. Have a good one. Make sure you hit like, all that cool stuff. Appreciate it. See you later, lads. Bye.